October the 20th, 2024, and we are in Calvert City, Kentucky, at the Tag Truck Center. Tomorrow is the winter solstice, by the way. First official day of winter. The winter solstice tomorrow, the 21st. But today is Friday the 20th. All right, Stephen, what's going on? Why are we here at
What's going on?
Why are we here at Tag Truck Center?
We're here to pick up some parts.
That you've already ordered?
Yes, yep, look, see, here they come now.
Oh, well, why don't you explain to them? What is that?
This is a drag link. These are bushings for the rear leaf springs, and more's coming.
Oh, what is that big old thing?
This is the easy part. Putting them, taking them out and putting them in. That's the job right there.
Oh. But what's that big old thing? What is that thing?
I just told you that's the drag link.
Well,
drag link for the steering.
Okay. All right. And how many more boxes
And
do you
look,
have
they
coming?
got free pins. One's for me.
Oh. You do like to collect pens.
That's because they always get stolen when I get home.
Steven says I steal his stuff.
You're a stuff stealer.
That I take your pens. I don't take your pens.
That's why I keep everything out in the truck.
You accused
and I
me
lock
this
the
morning.
truck
Oh,
when I get home.
hey, look at that. You used to have one of those for Asia. You remember how you used to bring?
I had several of those.
I know, several nice ones.
Yeah.
You did. You had several nice little model trucks that you brought home for AJ. You sure did.
What else for you, sir?
See, that's the kingpin, the bushings, and the drag link. Is that it?
Correct, yes.
Okay. Howdy.
How are you?
You guys ready to have a Merry Christmas? Me too. I'll have to put this off until after Christmas.
You paying cash, card, check?
I'll pay debit.
Okay.
Steven used to make bring home model trucks like this for our child, but he never appreciated them. He never did. They got destroyed.
Yeah.
Number 6. I may be able to get that one out. I don't know.
Is that a box of cookies?
I don't know what that is. Probably
Cookies.
whatever it is. I bet you it isn't health food.
Yeah, there's cookies and popcorn that was in there.
Oh. They're not open, so.
You did special order that, Mary Lou? I know. We stocked it. You never know. Sometimes they come in and sometimes they don't. Yeah. I mean, it's not open.
Cookies are open.
Oh, cookies are open.
Nothing's open, sir. Can't help myself with something.
No, you can take the whole thing.
Oh, I can take the whole thing.
Yeah.
Well, I'm sure it's for sale.
No.
It's not for sale?
No.
But they're cookies.
All right, total's gonna be $1,042.
Holy moly, what's
Yeah.
$1,000?
Well,
That's all together.
$1,000.
Kingpin was $413. Drag link was $229, and then the bushings all together was $339.
Okay,
That's
well,
a
I guess
cool-
it was $1,000.
$1,000.
Well,
Wow.
that number gave me a heart attack. $1,000. Wait till I get that drive line and they hit me with that bill.
Yeah.
I'll be having another heart attack.
Yeah, that's
Oh
right.
no!
So the cookies and popcorn are not for sale.
No, they're free.
Really? Oh, wow. Well, is that y'all's Christmas gift to people?
Sure, it's for every person that comes and spends $1,000.
Oh, there you go. So do you think for $1,000 we can take a tin of popcorn? I like the dogs on there. Well, we'll take a tin of popcorn for $1,000.
For $1,000. That's not too bad. These are a lot cheaper than them other ones, though, huh? You know where I can get the tool to take that out?
For sale now. Possibly online.
Huh?
So possibly online somewhere. I don't have any here.
Let me see that
I'd
number.
like to know where, because you have two options: either do it with the tool, or to burn them out. And I don't have a acetylene tank to burn them out. You know what I'm
Astro
saying?
may sell a tool. I'm not sure.
So just look these people up.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you guys have a Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Hopefully we don't see you again until after Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yes.
So we can take some cookies and popcorn for $1,000? I think we will. All right, well, thank you so much. Merry Christmas.
Christmas. I haven't told him a total yet.
He ain't told me a price yet.
But she expects what's coming.
It don't matter, you gotta have it, so it's not. Or I'll say that.
Yeah. 1283.51.
Oh, that's worse damage than ours.
Wow, the cats were on top of the shell and got down and laid scratches down.
Oh,
inside the
no.
shell. These are some heavy dudes.
And that's your box too right there, right?
Huh?
That's your box too, right?
All this stuff is mine.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You just worry about the Christmas gift.
You need that? Blink, please. Show your card blinks. When you turn signal on. You believe
I
it?
don't know how many people will look at that, correct?
Just one of each.
Y'all know tomorrow is the solstice. Tomorrow is the shortest day of the year.
So I have some old 8-foot tarps that are left over, and with all that rain and everything, I took my 8-foot tarps and draped them over the whole semi truck and drove over some 3/4-inch boards, and now I got myself a big tent to work under.
You do what you have to do, and you
Need a
don't.
heater in there now.
I got a
He
heater.
had to have a heater
A big
in
old
there.
turbo
We
heater.
only need one popcorn.
Oh, that's not mine.
I got popcorn and cookies.
Merry Christmas, y'all.
Here's the y'all.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Merry Christmas, youngster.
Thank you.
So you said the cat's got scratches on there?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, I see that. All right, so you do. No, I'll take that in the can. Never mind. So, whoa. Well, here, put these back here too. These $1,000 cookies and popcorn.
I know that thing was $4,000.
What did he order?
That turbo, that was more than $1,000.
It was $1,200.
Yeah,
It was. I heard him. It was $1,200
I know. That's actually pretty decent. $1,200.
for a turbo.
Yeah.
Well, all right, you all. That's our expensive day.
No, it's not either. That's just the beginning of it.
I said, well, okay.
That's the beginning of it.
Well, okay. And the work and the cost begin. Well, we've already been spending some big money.
That's why I had to take out a loan. I had to take out a loan because I knew this was going to be expensive.
We did. We had to take out a loan for Stephen to stay home and work on the truck. Now, maybe some people wouldn't have to, but we did. Right. Well, maybe y'all have another $1,000. Maybe y'all have $1,000 day.
I'm Big Belly.
And I'm Bumbles.
And together we're
Big Belly Bumbles.
See you later.
Big Belly Bumbles.